Quick video this morning, guys. Just wanted to show you that I'm replacing the cabin air filter, and never did replace it since I got it, so it's been 2.5 years now, and that thing is filthy. Yeah, so much debris in there. Bought the new Potauto. This is a carbon filter. It's a lot heavy duty. The Mopar one is seems a little bit lighter. Here's the part numbers. If someone wanted to replace it, here's this part number. Pretty simple. Just go here and yeah, just it's kind of a mess underneath. Just be careful with your finger. Don't do like mine, because you need to rub it against it. And yeah, well, not too hard, but not as easy as it seems. So that's all I wanted to say this morning. Big difference in weight though. This is about double the weight. I think it's going to be worth it. Have a good one, guys.